Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, oh man, I can't even hide what I'm doing. Putting new tires on, and you have to decide and help me which are the right ones, because we have different ones. I have to be stronger for this one. Ah, almost. There we go. Two different sets. Let me move this out of the way. Two different sets, and by the end of the video, I hope that you can help me and tell me which one we'll keep. Let's get started with this entire video. Oh yeah, you see it right. A new golf cart, EZGO TXT 2010. And you can see we have some tires on here. That's the tires it came with. And when you look up front, that's the tire which it came with as well. When you look back here, we have a set of new tire. Not only one set, at the moment it's a two different kind of set. And it's again, Antego, the same or similar tires, not the same, that's wrong. Similar tires like we have it already on our other EZGO RXV golf cart. And you can see there's a video up there. And this video will look at these tires, those are 22 inch. And below we have a set of 23 inch. And we do have a lifted golf cart. But we'll see what fits better. So in this video we'll just install both, two different sets by the way, of 23 and 22 inch. And then afterwards I would like to have you tell me which one should we go with, which one should go on this golf cart, and how should we finish it. To give you a way better idea, here we have it. 23 inch, 22 inch. They are completely different. They both come with all-terrain tire on here. The rims are different, as you can see. This is similar to what we have last time, which is on here, just 20 inch. This one is for lifted golf carts. The 22, at very least, you should have a 3-inch lift kit, I believe. And with the 23, you should have a 6-inch lift kit. And this one has, we'll figure it out. I'm tempted to put a taller tire here, 23 up front, just to see how it goes and how it works, because those 22 are also wider. Oh my god, it looks already so good. Can't wait to put it on the ground, do the other side, then we'll do up front. Look at that. I love those wheel tire combos. It's just amazing what Antego can do and how simple and cool it can look, so I'm really curious about those ones. At the moment I'm tempted to have those fully installed. We'll see if they clear or if my lift is not high enough, because I have no idea what lift is on it. But I like the rims more of this one, because we have this already, but this one is a very cool, and especially for countryside where we are here in Southern California, amazing, cool tire and wheel combo. Alrighty guys, so took me a little bit, but as always, pretty cool to install those tires. They all can be found on the Antego website, link in the description below. These are rad and awesome. I'll take them now for a spin, let you decide what you think, which ones are better, and I really would like to see you commenting below here and telling me which ones should I actually have a set of 4 in here, so not only 2, rear and front. What do you think about them? And before I drive off and show you that, let me give you a little more close-up on this one. I think I haven't shown you so far the tread pattern of this one. They look amazing. They are an amazing in-between off-road and street tire, I feel like. Those are more off-roady because they just have way more tire around it. So it's amazing. I like both. I want to let you decide. Let me know. Comment section below. This side is pretty dusty again. Sorry about that. It's just too much fun. Now they're dirty. Now you have a real view on those ones. I think it looks rad. That's pretty much it for this video. The installation itself of tires, I mean, golf cart is pretty easy. And by the way, the lock nuts I did buy new ones, link in the description below as well, black, so you don't see them as much. You can get all different kind of colors, which is pretty cool. In golf carts you can do all kind of different things. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you have an idea. Links in the description below. Like that video, subscribe to the channel in case you want to see a little bit more about the EZGO TXT 2010 and my individual work I'm doing with this golf cart. Thanks for watching. Tschüss!